We will be walking through the benefits of integrating your SiteLink software with SpareFoot and the key differences between a manual and an integrated SpareFoot account. SpareFoot's integration with SiteLink provides a seamless integration between your storage management software and SpareFoot, allowing you to get the most out of your SpareFoot account without spending the additional time and ensuring your listing is always accurate. There are key differences between having a manual account and an integrated account. Having a manual account, facilities, amenities, unit groups, unit features, rates, availability, promotions, new tenants, and reconciliation were all a manual process to maintain in your account. By having an integrated facility, facilities, unit groups, unit features, rates, availability, and promotions are automatically updated and synced with your software. New tenant information is automatically sent to SiteLink. Reservation notifications will show under Inquiries and Reservations in SiteLink, in addition to notifications being sent via email, phone, or text. And for your monthly billing and reconciliation process, your software tells SpareFoot who moved in, reducing the manual work. SpareFoot needs to know the full scoop about each of your units. What are the dimensions, the price, are they inside or outside? Are they available for vehicle storage? Some of this information is set in SiteLink Web Edition, while some is set in My SpareFoot. If you're looking at your units in My SpareFoot, you'll see that some attributes are grayed out and cannot be edited. These are the attributes that must be correctly labeled in SiteLink Web Edition. Here is a full list of unit attributes and where to edit the information. We will begin walking through editing unit data in SiteLink Web Edition. From the Company section, select Modify Units. All of the unit attributes that we identified as coming from SiteLink will be across the top of the screen. Please note that if any units are mislabeled in SiteLink, they'll also show up incorrect on SpareFoot, but it's quick and easy to make modifications to unit attributes in SiteLink. Click the checkboxes to the left of each unit that needs to be edited. Click Edit Selections on the right side of the screen. You'll see a screen pop up that looks like this. Make whatever changes you need to make to the units, and then press OK. You'll see the new unit attributes that you've saved updated on SpareFoot within the hour. Now we will walk through editing your unit data in My SpareFoot. Once logged in, navigate to the Features page in your My SpareFoot account. From the Units tab, click Edit for the row of the unit group that you need to make changes to. Select the applicable amenities for that unit group. Don't forget, if a field is gray and you aren't able to make any changes, that means that the information is coming from your SiteLink software. Once you have made the applicable changes, scroll down and click Save when you're done. Finally, we will be walking through auto-reconciliation. Auto-reconciliation makes reconciling your monthly statement easier and saves you time by matching up reservations you've received from SpareFoot with tenants who have moved into your facility. So how does it work? Customers often move in under an alternate name, and it can be time-consuming for you to check customer information and determine if a move-in came from SpareFoot. Our system looks at the following information from your SpareFoot reservations and tenant information in order to eliminate this process for you and save you time. If you have multiple facilities on your SpareFoot account, you may occasionally see that a customer who reserved at one facility moved into another location. This customer may have spoken to a facility manager and realized that one of your other facilities is a better fit due to location, amenities, or unit availability. Since this customer did reserve through SpareFoot, we will match the customer even though the original reservation was not placed at the facility they moved into. We will then bill the facility that received the move-in. Customers also often realize that they need a different unit size or different amenities than what they reserved. One of the benefits of auto-reconciliation is that we bill for the unit that the customer moved into instead of the unit that was reserved. This means that you're always paying your SpareFoot fee based on the actual rent collected from the customer. Our system will match the customer based on the factors listed here, regardless of what unit they move into, including units that may not be shown on your SpareFoot listing. So what does an auto-reconciled statement look like? Statements visually look different when using auto-reconciliation versus manually reconciling. Auto-reconciled statements are broken into two sections: auto-matched, which are customers who moved in, and unmatched, which are customers who did not move in. If you notice that any of this information is incorrect, you still have complete flexibility to edit charges by clicking the check mark to let us know that the customer moved in, or the X to let us know that the customer did not move in either of those sections. Keep in mind, match reasons listed previously, since our system may have matched the reservation based on information other than the customer's name, such as phone number and email address. So you may be thinking, do I still have to check my statement each month? Even though our auto-reconciliation feature is highly accurate, we still recommend that you review your statement to ensure everything is correct. And please note that once the statement closes, your bill cannot be adjusted. If you have any questions about your SiteLink or SpareFoot account, please contact our support team with the information shown here, or feel free to read more about the features we discussed today through our help centers. Thank you.